So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Click on enter. And now this will come up. Click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once you're on this, if it says for you unknown device driver, you're going to click on that. If it doesn't show here, then you're going to click on I don't see my device listed. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on enable. Again, wait for this to load. And now if it says for you apply this fix, you're going to click on that. And then click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.